Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a page unclickable on Wix. So let's get started. So for now, let's enter our preview website. And then once we have entered our preview website, we should be able to see that one of our pages is still clickable despite having these options right here. So when you click on this general right here, it will actually redirect you to the general page of our website, which is this one. So we don't want that. Instead, we want to just open this website right here. So for now, let's go back to our editor. And in order to solve this, what we can do is we can actually edit this. So from in there, we can see that we have this pages menu. So click on that. And then from in there, you can see in here. So just click on this option, which is the submenu title. And then let's name it general. So once you have named it general, just click on done. And then as you can see, let's just move this just above the general option. Now what we can do is we just need to migrate this tree right here into the new general page. So let's migrate it right here by using this one. So let's migrate them. Then let's add this one right here. So let's add this one as well, since we want tree. Now, once we have done that, what we need to do next is just click on the three dots on the original general page. And then let's just try to unshow this option right here. So you can actually just unshow this or actually just delete that depending on what you want to do with that page. So once you have done that, or once you have hidden this page, you can actually head over and then just publish your website, or you can also just preview it. So let's head back and then let's try to preview what it looks like. So let's just click on the preview right here, and then this will direct us to the preview of our website. So let's just wait for this to load. And then right here, you can see this general tab. And you can see the three options. And once you click on this general tab, it will not redirect you to the general page. So you can just click on the tree right here in order to head over to where you want to put it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make a page unclickable on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.